Good day and welcome to ASTRO'S card tutorials. Today we'll be talking about Revolved Boss Biz, which is this feature here. Revolve Boss Biz. This is how you create 3D shapes like bottles or wheels using a simple sketch in SolidWorks. You basically just draw the shape, you draw an axis, and then use the feature to take that sketch, to extrude that sketch 360 degrees or to a specified angle along that axis. So let me quickly show an example of what I mean. Let's select the front plane. We select sketch, come to sketch. Let's say we draw a circle at this point here, and we have to draw our center of rotation, our axis of rotation, which will be the center line here. We can set the dimension between this circle and this line. You could set the dimension to any specified dimension given. Once you do that, let me quickly dimension the circle, and I'm going to make this and this horizontal. Okay, so once you draw your sketch and you draw your axis of rotation, that's all you need, just your sketch and your axis of rotation. You come over to features, come over to revolve boss base. In your axis of revolution, in case it's not selected, you select this line. Then here, selected contours. It has automatically selected this sketch, but in case it doesn't select it, you can just click on it and it will show you the preview. Now, in the options, we've talked about this in our one of our previous videos, extrude boss bees. We've talked about each of these features. Let's use blind for now. Now you can set the specified degree. We could leave direction 1 as 50. So it's going to extrude from the sketch all the way round and stop at 50 degrees. Okay, then you can also change the direction here, and then you can also pick for direction 2 as blind. You can 50. So in total, this is 300 degrees, this body. But in reference to the sketch, one side is 50 degrees and the other side is 250 degrees. Then this last feature, let's talk about thin feature. So what thin feature does, it makes your extrusion hollow if you want. This extrusion is going outward. So if I want it to go inward, I say sorry, I select the arrow, click on the arrow and it changes direction. Well, if you want it to go in through the mid plane, that's 2 millimeter. That means it's, let me change this to 5 degrees so we can see better. Okay, so once if you're looking at the sketch face on, it's going to be 1 millimeter upward, 1 millimeter downward. So this is a 2 millimeter hollow pipe. That's for mid plane. If you want two directions and maybe you want to specify direction for one and direction for two, you can do that here. Let's set it as 5, and then this we leave it as 15. So this is what you get. Okay, so that's all about thin feature. So once you click on OK, you have this body. You have a body like this. So very simple. Let me show you something. Another thing we can do. Let's say we select the front plane and we draw a cube. We can actually, let me quickly create another and then trim this side here. Let's say we have a shape like this. I come over to features, revolve boss base. Now our axis of revolution, we can pick any line. It has to be a straight line. You can pick any line you want. Let's say we pick this line, you will get this preview of this shape. This is what it's going to look like. It's going to look like this. But if we pick another line, Let's say we pick this other line here. You see, you get this shape. If you look at it here, it's basically half of this drawing projected to the other side, but in a round um format. Let's say we pick this other line here. We're going to get similar results. You can't pick this and you can't pick this. You can pick this one though. So this is basically what Revolve Boss base does. Very, very easy to understand. Okay. So in our next video, we're going to model a bottle or a simple vase, and I'm going to take you step by step on how to do that. So I hope to see you there, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be the first to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.